lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that shit.
Ready to merit position. Start. First pose, front double biceps. Relax. The next pose, front double lat spread. Relax body weight. A tight chest with your any side. Relax. Turn back. Back double biceps with your calf muscle, also your hamstring. Relax. Back double lat spread with your calf muscle. Relax. Side triceps with your any side. Electrician, please, இன்னொரு mic கொடுக்குமா? Relax body build. Abdomen and thigh muscle. Relax. The final pose, most muscular. Relax bodybuilder. Bodybuilders, please go back. 37. The comparison. Judges, very close. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் back போயிடுங்க. ஒரு step back போயிடுங்க. Right? Start. Front double biceps. Flex. Relax bodybuilder and side chest with your any side. Relax, turn back. Back double biceps with your calf muscle and your hamstring. Relax. Abdomen and thigh muscle. Relax. Thank you, bodybuilder. Join to the line.
Fifth place in this category goes to track number 33, or Dinesh from Universal Gym. Merit certificate and bodybuilder statue. Thank you. Fourth place in this category goes to 32, Hariharan from A1 Classic 4-row. ஹரிகரன் கொஞ்சம் சிரிச்சு ஜாலியாக இருந்தாங்க. ரொம்ப ஒரு ஜாலியாக செய்யுங்க. ஒரு ஸ்போர்ட்ஸ் மூடியாகவே இருக்க வேண்டாம். தேங்க்யூ. பிரான்ஸ் மெடல் கேட்டகரி goes to track number 31, Nityanandam from Rebel Fitness. Vinayaka Mission. Thank you. 2000 rupees cash award, bronze medal, merit certificate. ஒவ்வொன்றுக்கும் 3000, 5000, 5000, 2000 கைத்தட்டி உற்சாகப்படுத்துங்க. சில்வர் மெடல் goes to 26, கார்த்திக் from O7 Fitness. ₹3,000 cash award. Silver medal merit certificate bodybuilder. Thank you. Gold medal goes to track number 37, Sarah from Universal Gym. Gold medal, merit certificate, ₹5,000 cash award, and bodybuilder statue and international level champion. அப்துல்லாரியுடைய விழா.